Welcome back to Pioneering Mind, your source for cutting-edge tech insights. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your comments fuel our content, so drop your thoughts below. Now, let's explore the exciting world of Pi Network. Picture this. You're ready to access your hard-earned Pi coins, but suddenly, your mind goes blank. Your passphrase? Gone. Vanished. Poof. Don't panic, we've got your back. Let's break down the passphrase dilemma in simple terms. Think of your passphrase as the key to your digital vault. Without it, your precious Pi coins are locked away, potentially forever. But fear not. We're here to guide you through this crypto conundrum. First things first, if you've set up facial recognition, Face ID, or fingerprint scanning, fingerprint, in the Pi Network Wallet app, the first step is to try using these options to regain access to your wallet. Sometimes, this can be a powerful entry point. Of course, using these options requires extra vigilance. Ensure that the device utilizing your facial recognition or fingerprint is genuinely secure and not accessible to others. Biometric security is the first line of defense that you should protect. Now, for those of you who've migrated your Pi coins, listen up. Cast your mind back to that migration process. When you migrate Pi in your wallet, you're transferring your Pi coins from the test phase to the main network. The first step is to ascertain whether you have a copy of the passphrase used during migration. This could be a set of words that you wrote down or stored securely. If you have a copy of this migration passphrase, the next step is to attempt using it to access your wallet. In some cases, this migration passphrase might be the same as the original passphrase used to access your Pi Network wallet. If it works, you're fortunate. If, after trying the previous steps, you still can't find your passphrase, the last resort step is to create a new wallet in Pi browser. Although this is the final step, it's essential to understand the process and how to do it correctly. The first part of creating a new wallet involves accessing Pi browser. Ensure you download or access it from an official and secure source. Inside Pi browser, follow the provided instructions to create a new wallet. This process typically includes generating a new passphrase. This is a good time to learn from your previous mistake. Make sure to write down and securely store your new passphrase. Ideally, you should have multiple copies stored in different locations. Now, let's talk prevention. Losing your passphrase once is unfortunate, but twice? That's just careless. Here are some top secret tips to keep your passphrase safe. Store it securely. Writing down your passphrase is the first step, but more crucial is storing it in a truly secure place. Avoid leaving it where others can access it. The importance of backups. There's always the possibility that your device may be lost or damaged. Creating a backup of your passphrase and storing it separately is a wise practice. Never share it with others. Remember never to share your passphrase with anyone. Your passphrase is your secret, and only you should know it. Update your security. Ensure your Pi Network Wallet app is always updated to have the latest security layers. Remember, in this dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, losing a passphrase can be daunting. However, with the right knowledge and precautions, you can navigate these challenges and safeguard your digital wealth. Remember, your passphrase is your key. Handle it with care and stay secure in your crypto endeavors. And there you have it, folks. You're now equipped to tackle the dreaded lost passphrase scenario like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Pioneering Mind channel. Stay tuned for more crypto wisdom, and until next time, keep those digital assets safe and sound.